In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove orphaned files in Google Drive. If you're a regular Google Drive user, you might accumulate files over time that are no longer in any folder. These are known as orphaned files. They can clutter your storage and make finding what you need more challenging. Today, we'll go over how to locate and get rid of these files to keep your drive organized and efficient. First, let's get started by signing into your Google Drive account. Open your browser and navigate to the Google Drive website. Once you've logged in, you'll be at the main interface where you can see all your files and folders. This is your starting point for finding orphaned files. Next, direct your attention to the search bar located at the top of the Drive page. Click inside it and then look towards the right where you'll find a small icon shaped like a funnel. This is the filter icon. Clicking on it opens up a menu that allows you to refine your search using various criteria, which is crucial for identifying orphaned files. Inside the filter options, you'll see several categories. Let's start with type. Selecting this will help you specify what kind of files you're looking for, like documents, spreadsheets, or photos. Orphaned files could be any file type, so consider what types of files you most commonly misplace or forget about. Next, we move to the Owner category. If you're looking for files you've created, choose Owned by Me to filter out files owned by others. However, orphaned files may also belong to someone else, but were shared with you. So be mindful as you refine your search throughout these categories. Now take a look at Item Name. Though orphaned files might have cryptic or less memorable names, sometimes you might recall the name of a file that went missing. Entering part of a name here can lead you straight to it. Following that, you have Location. Interestingly, orphaned files are not located in any specific folder. Therefore, adapting the location search will assist you in finding anything out of the ordinary that's not showing up in its expected place. Another helpful filter is Shared To. Here, you might want to look at files shared with you. Sometimes, a deleted folder removes clear access to these shared files, turning them into orphans. Lastly, hit the Search button. Once your filters are satisfactorily configured, clicking on this will execute the search and bring up a list of files that match your criteria. Take a close look at the results to identify files you might want to delete or relocate to an appropriate folder. By following these steps closely, you can easily uncover those hidden orphaned files and decide whether to delete them or organize them properly. Keeping your Google Drive organized